Hey there, thanks for stopping by. I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. If you're here to check out one of our fantastic products, and today we're going to be looking at one of them, which is inside this box right here, and that is the King Arthur. So let's jump right in to our box, our shipping, with our classy shipping, of course, every time. Classy inside also, all of these materials. Let's get into those. Inside we've got our card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. Tells you that you're handsome, although you already know that. And there's some information for customer service in case you have a question about your product or you're needing general life advice about which motorcycle to buy. I can't guarantee that last one. And there's some information for our social media, so check out pictures of all of our great products there. And if you love your ring, which you will, post a picture and tag us. We'd love that. Inside we have the King Arthur. Super beautiful ring. It's titanium with a rosewood inlay and mill grain edges. Super custom fit. If you don't know what mill grain is, like I did, you can see the detail. It means there's tiny beads around the edges that make up this cool detailed design. So it's got a dome designed on it, and another great feature, hypoallergenic. So if you're generally allergic to things, then this is a great ring. Corey, what are you allergic to? Speaking, I guess. I'm allergic to morons. That's just kind of how that goes. Inside also is our black silicone band as an option if you're not filling your mill grain edges for the day. There's that, and then inside there's also some promotional materials, so check those out as they become available. There we go, the King Arthur from manlybands.com, perfect for anybody looking to pull a sword out of a stone or pull out of anything else. Parking spaces, most likely. King Arthur, manlybands.com. That's it.